Hello, let me show you how you can use a navbar on the Samsung A37 5G. So when you are in the lock screen and you want to switch between applications, because the navbar support multiple applications simultaneously, you have to just swipe up or simply try to swipe down, but it's not working always. So the swipe up is actually, in my opinion, the best way to switch apps. Now, if I'm gonna click on it once, I can expand and use some features of this application that is running in the navbar. For example, I can make a lap in my stopwatch. If I'm gonna click outside, I will minimize. But if I'm gonna click on it twice, I will go into this application. So this is the fastest way to do it. And now, if you take a look here on the status bar, it appears here. So if I'm gonna tap on it, I will also make this extension, but we cannot switch apps like in the lock screen. If I want to get access into the second application, I have to expand notifications, click on it, minimize, and now it will be at the top. So if I'm gonna tap on it, I will get access into this one. And what you can also do with this navbar, when you go to the settings, just let me show you. Go to the settings, lock screen and AOD, navbar. Here you can manage from which application you want to receive those navbar extensions. So if I don't want to get this from the clock, I will have to click on it, and now as you can see, it just disappears. And you can also adjust some modes and the flashlight, for example. And if I want to remove it from the status bar, I have to just go for it and swipe to the left or the right side. So it's still recording voice, but it's not in the status bar anymore. Take a look. So that's how it looks. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in my next tutorials.